We're going to walk you through the install of the JLT oil separator for your 3.6 liter Charger, Challenger, and 300C. Included in the JLT oil separator kit is the oil separator itself with pre-installed hoses, the mounting bracket, mounting screws, and mounting nut. Tools you'll need for installation is a 13mm socket and ratchet, a 10mm socket, a 1/4-inch drive works well here for a tight area, a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Let's get started. We're going to need to remove this engine cover. It's just some rubber grommets, so just grab the corners and pull up. We'll sit that to the side. We're going to want to remove this hard plastic line here. It's in these two rubber boots. This line's going to be pretty stuck in here, so you can grab a little flathead screwdriver like so and just get it between the boot and the plastic line to break the seal. And then pull on that. Now to remove this end, you don't have a whole lot of space here, so what I recommend you do is actually remove the boot from the car. You can take that same flathead and just kind of work it out and give it a pull. Alright, so now we need to remove this coupler. There may be some sealant in here that is gluing this together, so you'll want to work your screwdriver up and through and around to be able to pull that off. As you can see, some remnants of stuff there. We're going to go and reinstall our coupler. For our mounting location, we're going to remove this 13mm nut. Slide our bracket over and take the nut that we supplied with the kit. And tighten that up. Grab your oil separator. Get that into place. Get both your screws started. Tighten that up. And then at your connections, short line is going to plug into the connection at the valve cover, and this longer line is going to loop around and plug in at the manifold. So make sure you get that all the way in. Your engine cover, it's got 4 grommets. It's going to sit into 4 studs. 3 and 4. Get that into place.